Hi, welcome to Simple Coding. Today we will make a simple service section with hover effects. Here browser shows the final output of the design. I opened my folder in VS Code editor. First link the Google fonts, then Font Awesome CDN link, and after that we connect our own style sheet. Now the style sheet is blank, so let's start. At first we make the HTML markup. We take a div class service h1 tag for title our service. We take a div class container. Within the container we take a div class box. Between the box there are from Font Awesome free icon, AH3 tag, P tag, and a button. Now duplicate the box 3 times and change the I class and H3 tag. In style sheet, first we put the common style margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. Body, background color, hash, body background color, hash, CCC. In service class, width 100%, height %, padding 0 pixel from top bottom and left right 8%. Service h1 text align center, padding top 80 pixel, margin bottom 80 pixel, font weight 600, color hash 404040, position relative. Here we use pseudo element before for h1, content blank, background hash 404040, width 130 pixel, height 3 pixel, position absolute, bottom minus 5 pixel, left 50%, transform translate minus 50%. And I take another pseudo element after for each one, so duplicate the code and width and height, bottom minus 13 pixel. H1 looks very big, so it may be 35 pixel. Container display grid template columns, repeat auto fit, min max 250 pixel, 1 FR, grid gap 30 pixel. So the div is placed horizontally. Now design the box. Text align center, padding 25 pixel, 10 pixel, border radius 5 pixel, cursor pointer, background color hash 404040, color hash CCC, transition transform 0.5s, Box I font size 40 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel. Box 25 pixel. Box S3 font size 25 pixel, font weight 400, margin bottom 10 pixel. Box P font size 20 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel. Box button padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, font size 18 pixel, background color #CCC, border radius 10 pixel. Now we design the box hover effect. The design also responsive in various devices. If you like this video and it is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.